Oh my goodness, you guys got them about all of them. They love children.
Yeah.
And they just know the difference.
Which one's that one?
That's number 4. Kita 4.
Bueno, que tenemos el número así.
Este y...
Yeah.
Este. ¿Qué es?
This one.
Más dulce.
Yeah.
Más dulce. Oh, a friend.
Okay, come here, Pied Piper, so I can have them follow you around. Okay, who's going to lift them up and say who's who? Jacqueline and... Oh, we have a standoff going on here.
1.
Okay.
One.
Okay, this just, all right. That's
One
number
is two,
1
Kita.
and 1, and which one's 2?
This one.
2. Okay. You want to turn them around just so we can see the back one more time? Okay. 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 All right.
Mom,
who are you going to get
just
next?
have to get my camera.
Hold on. 3?
Get 3?
No, 3's here.
No, you
Oh, 3?
3, and
Okay.
where's 4?
Right there. 4.
Okay, you want to come stand next to her? I want to show. All right, which one's 3?
This
That's
one.
3, and which one's 4?
Okay, you
This
can stand up too with number
Okay.
5.
You want to turn them around so we can see their back? Okay,
This
there.
one's 5.
Okay, you want to get down in
Over
there and show
here.
us 5?
Over on this side.
Oh.
Just switch plates with you two.
Yeah, this is for old people to look at that can't remember. All right, you want to turn number 5 around? That's a hard part.
For you. I'm going to get your camera.
There's, okay. There's number
Mom,
5.
get my camera. Get my camera.
Okay, now you're going to have to figure out mine, Sue. That's number 2 and 1. There's 1.
There's one running off.
One just took off.
I'll grab 3.
Think we feed them enough?
And chunky.
Yeah. Okay, so you've got 1 and 2. And I don't know if you can turn them around or not. That's
Right behind you. Look at this one wants to play too.
Here's 1.
okay. Good job, Sue. All right, you
And here's 2.
2. Okay.
Got it?
And
Okay.
here's number 3. And this is, as you probably heard, her name is Matey.
What?
Matey.
I thought that was our number 3.
Oh, yes. Wrong
This is
3.
your number 3.
Oh, that's my number 3. It doesn't have a name yet. It does. Okay, you want to turn her around? Okay. All right, thank you. Oh, look at here. She's found something they like.
Nate is playing tug of war.
Oh, that doesn't surprise you, does it? Boy, you got boy number 1 really is attached to you.
If they don't do that,
Okay, I don't know how much time.
That is a big boy.
Okay, I think I have,